Extend comments on GST. Central Goods and Service Tax Act 2017 extend extend to the world of India, including the state of Jammu Kashmir section of the CGST Act. As per Section 256 of the Central Goods and Service Tax (CGST) Act 2017, the term India means the territory of India as referred to in Article 1 of the Constitution. Its territorial water, seabed and the subsoil underlying such water, continental shelf, exclusive economic zone or the submarine zone as referred to the territorial waters, continental shelf, exclusive economic zone and other Maritime Zone Act 1976 and the airspace above the territory and territorial waters. State Goods and Service Tax Law. State Goods and Service Tax Law. To the responsive of state, union, territory with the state legislature, including Delhi and Pondicherry, extend to the whole of the state, union, territory. Note: Maharashtra GST Act. Maharashtra GST Act 2017 extend to the whole state of Maharashtra, Union Territory goods and service taxes. Extend features of GST. The salient features of GST are as under: GST would be applicable on supply of goods or service. Against the present concept of tax on the manufacture of goods or on sale of goods or on provision of service. GST would be based on the principle of destination-based consumption taxation as against the present principle of origin-based taxation. It would be a dual GST with the center and the state stimulus leaving its own common base. The GST to be levied by the center would be called central GST, and that is levied by the state. Fourth point, an integrated GST would be levied on the inner state supply of goods or service. This would be collected by center so that the credit chain is not distributed. Fourth, imported of goods would be treated as interstate supply and would be subject to IGST in the addition to the applicable customer duties. Imports of the service would be treated as the interstate supplies and would be thus subject to IGST. Next page. Rule number 88 A. Order of utilization and the input tax order provided that the input tax credit on the account of central tax state tax of union territory tax should be utilized toward the payment or integrated tax state tax or the union territory tax. The case may be only the input tax credit available on the account. Integrated tax can be first be utilized. CGST and GST Council. The Constitution एक सेकेंड गाइस of GST Council. The President shall within the date of the concept of the Constitution Act 2016 by the order of the Constituent Council to be called Good or Service Tax Council. Notification date 15/9/2016. The President of India constituted the GST Council. Member of GST Council. The GST Council shall be consist of the following member, namely the Union Minister, Minister in charge, and so on. तो मिलते हैं गाइस आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय.